We're Immobiliser fitting this a brand new 2024 Land Rover Defender. This is a 130 long wheelbase with only 270 miles on, brand new. Customer wanted it secure, so they've gone for a Starline Pro with a tag. The tag in the vehicle, simply start the car up, drive away. If the tag's not here, we'll take the battery out. Someone then tries to steal this vehicle. It's going to start up, but as soon as they go to drive away with it, you'll see the vehicle cut out. They're unable to drive it away. So the customer just has the tag with the battery and obviously in their pocket, get in the vehicle, start and drive away. If the battery's gone flat, they've left it at home, someone else has borrowed the vehicle, they can have a push sequence. So for now, we start the car, go 1, 2, 3. Hear that disarm tone and we can drive away. So you have the option of a push sequence or a tag to drive this vehicle. If that's not here, a thief does a relay attack, copies the key, goes to steal the vehicle. You'll see when it starts up, they pop it into gear, whether it's drive, reverse, whatever it is, vehicle cuts out. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and this is Starline Pro with the optional Bluetooth tag, so the customer can just get in the vehicle and drive away, no need to do a code. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.